Hi, Dr. Packer here from Precision Spinal Care. Today we're going to talk about neck pain. And the neck is the most vulnerable area of the spine, and it has a number of jobs, but one of the main jobs of the neck is to support the weight of the head. And the head weighs anywhere between 10 to 12 pounds, the weight of a bowling ball. This is a simple kettlebell, it only weighs about 10 pounds. But imagine this sitting on your neck on a tiny little bone called the atlas, and if it's not centered right, it can cause a lot of stress and disturbances throughout the entire spine, just trying to support the weight of the head. Now, also, through this area where the skull ends and the neck begins, there's an area called the foramen magnum, and it's just a large hole in the bottom of the skull, and all the nerve impulses from the brain have to go through that area out to the rest of the body. And it's very common with a whiplash injury, a sports injury, or just postural problems and chronic pain over time that this area can misalign. Literally, there are 10,000 different combinations of how the head and neck can misalign and create pressure or stress in an area known as the brainstem, which is right at the top of the spinal cord. But the issues can radiate anywhere up into the head and down the neck into the shoulder and cause chronic neck problems. In a Nucca office, our job is to specifically diagnose where the weight of the head is, where the cervical spine is, and figure out which of those 10,000 different combinations that your head and neck have come out of alignment to get that corrected. So you never want to use a cookie cutter approach, especially when it comes to the neck area, because it's just so critical and serves so many functions for the whole body.